Alright guys, so I got a product review today. I was on Facebook, which is something that I'm not normally on. I don't really use Facebook like that, but I was on Facebook and I seen an ad um, from Blake Newbar. Okay, talked about unlimited leads and sales using your social media profile. All right, so that kind of intrigued me because I've been trying to find a way to actually utilize my Facebook. Like I said, I don't use it. Um, and an ad popped up, so I decided to check it out. And this is what you see on screen. This is the landing page for that product. You can see hack your Facebook profile to get unlimited free leads and sales. Okay, so I did buy it. It doesn't cost much. It's only about $7. Okay, so today I'm gonna go ahead and show you what this product is, what they offer, and I guess we can see if this product can help you if you're one of those people looking for a way to better utilize your social media profiles or whatever, mainly Facebook, because that's basically what the focus is on. All right, so with that being said, like I said, this is the landing page. Okay, and you see he has his little intro video. Okay, and this he talks about the program a little bit and the people who've used it or whatever. All right, you can see it's a nice lengthy landing page where he talks about it. Okay, and we scroll back up a little bit. All right. Um, Again, like I said, it's only $7, but interact on social media to generate free traffic. All right. Turn your profile into a powerful lead trap. Okay. And get unlimited leads and sales on autopilot. Okay. So it was number two that really caught my attention. Okay. So it made me buy the product. All right. So get off of this. Getting off the landing page and actually into the actual program. This is it right here. This is the members area. Okay. So the main product is an ebook. Okay. It's a 97-page ebook. All right. But this isn't just like some type of cheap ebook that doesn't really have anything in it. This ebook actually has a lot of information. It breaks everything down step by step. Okay. He has plenty of examples, plenty of images to go with them examples. And this book is pretty meaty. It has a lot of information, and I'll quickly show you real quick just what it looks like. Wait, download. I'm not going to go through the book, but I will scroll through real quick just to show you that there is a lot to this book. All right, there is a lot to it. It's a ton of information to it. Okay, so it's a pretty, like I said, it's a pretty good book with a lot of information. Okay, and going through it, you really don't realize how many things or how many elements are in your Facebook profile that you can actually use and utilize. Okay, and through this book, he shows you how to utilize. You've got the cover page, you've got you've got your image, you've got the about. Okay, there's certain other elements in your page that you probably didn't think to actually use to actually monetize your profile. Okay, so it's pretty slick how he sets everything, how Blake explains everything and shows you how to set it up. Stuff that I would never have thought of. But yeah, like I said, it's a pretty meaty ebook that has a lot of information, pretty good information, stuff that you really don't think about when it comes to like your Facebook profile. Um, it's only $7. It's a lot of information for $7. You can't beat that. Okay. So that's the main product. It does come with two upsells. Okay. So the first upsell is right here. It's get the next 100K followers, and he gives you viral post templates that you can use to build a following. Okay. Now he does show you in the ebook how to build a following. He shows you where to go and it does involve a little bit of work, but he does show you how to build the following, how to generate leads just using Facebook. Okay, so the information is there, and he provides these templates to go along with it, so that you can actually get those leads. Okay, so that's the first one. That's the first upsell, and he also has another upsell, which is this right here on the left, and this is basically a live video demonstration where he walks you through everything in the ebook, but it's in video format. He does it step by step, and there are a few extra things that he has added that's not in the ebook. Okay, so not everybody is good at learning by reading. Some people are better off with video, so that is the option. But this one does come at $97. The first one is $37. His second upsell is $97, so it does cost more. Me personally, I believe you're good with the book. The book has tons of information, very, very, very useful. Okay, but if you got a little bit of extra cash to spend, it wouldn't hurt to actually get this upsell. I mean, it is a lot of good information, and he does share some extra stuff in it as well. Okay, so that's it. I just wanted to talk about this product real quick. If anybody was looking for a way to utilize their social media their social media accounts to better generate leads or traffic and get sales and things like that, this is definitely a good product to check out. And again, it's only $7. Okay, and you get tons of information with it as well. One more thing, he does have a partner program. I would suggest that you get the $7 product first, run through it, see if you actually like it, see if it actually works for you before you join a partner program. If you like the product, all right, then you can go ahead and check out the link down below so that you can actually sign up and join a partner program so that you can promote this product as well. All right, so that's all I got for today's video. If you find this video useful, please hit the like button and share this out with anybody who you think may find it useful as well. Links will be down below, and that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Take care.